What if working from home isn't actually improving your financial life but just making it feel more comfortable? Because in 2026 many people are earning from home yet still feel stuck. Imagine someone earning around $3,500 a month after tax. It sounds stable, but then rent takes $1,400, car and insurance $500, student loans $300, and everyday spending another $600, plus credit cards, and suddenly there's almost nothing left. Even without a commute, the savings disappear because lifestyle quietly expands. Working from home creates a sense of control, so people start upgrading small things: better food, better setup, more comfort, and none of it feels wrong. But financially it adds up. If you save $300 from commuting but spend $500 more at home, you're actually losing money over time. This becomes thousands without even noticing. The real issue isn't income, it's behavior, because comfort makes spending feel justified. Financially aware people think differently. They don't treat remote work as a lifestyle upgrade, they treat it as a chance to increase the gap between what they earn and what they spend, and that gap over time becomes freedom. So working from home isn't the advantage, keeping more of what you earn is. If you want more calm and realistic insights like this, you can subscribe.